Good morning, friends. Normally, nowadays, love affairs will be going on between males and females under the pretext of false marriage, under the pretext of marrying the boy or the youth enjoys with the woman. Ultimately, on one fine day, after a couple of years or so, he says bye bye. He says he will not marry her. He refuses to marry her. Then she comes to the police station and gives a complaint. And when we worked as police officers, even we also used to register cases under section 376 and 417 or 420 of the Indian Penal Code. So normally, if a woman is enjoyed, or if a man has sexual intercourse with a woman under the pretext of false marriage, normally we used to apply section 417. But Bombay High Court has clearly stated that mere refusal to marry, single refusal to marry after sexual relationship, it is not an offense of cheating. Please remember, unless the fraudulent misrepresentation of marriage is made, fraudulent representation, yes, I am here, I will tie thali to you. So unless it is there, it is not cheating. So of course, umpteen number of cases are there, this side and that side. So better, this will be another such case where section 417 IPC is not applicable for mere refusal of marriage. Right? So you can see the citation. Sorry. Kashinath Narayan Gharat. Kashinath Narayan Gharat versus State of Maharashtra. In Criminal Appeal number 119/99 on 9th December 2021 by single judge of Bombay High Court, Anuja Prabhudeshai. She observed that mere refusal to marry a woman after a long sexual relationship, it would not constitute an offense under section 417 if no evidence of fraudulent misrepresentation of marriage for sex is made. So this is the case. Please remember. Now, if you go to the details of the case, of course, I should not tell the name of the prosecutors because it's a case of rape, right? We'll call her as PW1. PW1 lodged an FIR alleging that the defendant had the appellant, here he becomes the appellant, I believe, cautionized. The appellant had sexual interrelationship with her on the promise of marriage. Later, he declined to marry her. Simply, she went to the police station. The police registered a case of 376 and 417 IPC. Then they arrested him, produced him before the court. They filed the charge sheet. The charge sheet was also taken on file. And the trial was conducted. Of course, the ADJ, I think Pahal Ghat or somebody. So he was convinced with the version of the victim, and the accused was convicted to undergo 1 year imprisonment and rupees 5,000 as fine. So now agreed by this, he approached the Bombay High Court. Right. Here, Bombay High Court has gone to the evidentiary part. This is important. Right. The evidence says PW1 was known to the accused for a long time. Both of them had sexual relationship for about 3 years. And important witness PW2, she stated that there was love affair between PW1 and the accused, and the sexual relationship was consensual. So here the story between them has been continuing for the long for 3 years or so, and later he denied to marry her. So please remember, this instant case shows that both PW1 and the accused, the appellant, had consensual sexual intercourse, but it was not under misconception of fact because she knows him, he knows her, both of them are from the same place. So he knows that there are disputes regarding the caste people, but still both of them had the so-called relationship. So therefore, it cannot come under misconception of the fact. He did not cheat her. He wanted to have sexual relationship, okay. He wanted to marry her, but because of the circumstances changed, he could not do so. So please remember, it is not misconception of fact with regard to marriage. The refusal to marry, definitely it is an offense, but it cannot come under 417 of the IPC. So therefore, appeal is allowed and the order of the ADJ, the judgment of ADJ is set aside. Why I have made this video is important. Normally in so many cases, police people may be booking the people under section 417 or 420 IPC read with 376 IPC. In such cases, please remember, only important point is here should be consensual sex. Second point is it is not a misconception, it is not a misrepresentation. In such circumstances, 417 IPC will not allow, will not apply, and therefore you can go for quashment basing on this Bombay High Court judgment. So please read the judgment and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.